Hello and welcome back to channel T-Lover. As you all know that we are here with a new video today. In my channel you will find how to get a free premium domain, free premium hosting and traffic on your website or views and subscriber for your YouTube. Also, if you want any idea regarding monetization and AdSense issue on your YouTube channel or website purpose, then you can go through my YouTube channels. Then I have made a number of videos regarding this topic in my YouTube channel. You can go through it. And today also I am here with a new topic, and in today's topic I am here to provide you a free premium hosting for you. So I have two sites where you can get the free premium hosting for your website. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon for our latest update. And also, if you want to contact me, you can directly contact me through tlover2054 in the Instagram, or there are a lot of medium in my website, Facebook, Twitter, Insta or WhatsApp, by which you can make a contact with me. So let's begin for the today's topic. For the today's topic, we are here to provide you a free premium hosting for you. So for that, I have a two sites over here, and the site are Sharkasp.net and Ifreehosts.com. These two sites will provide you a free hosting for your website. I'll talk surfacely. This Ifreehosts provide you a hosting for the lifetime, and in this iFree site you can get a cloud hosting, and the next one is share hosting for the free purpose. When you go for Sharkasp.net, you can get only 60 days of free trial for your hosting purpose, but this free trial for 2 months is VPS hosting, and this does not require any credit card over here. Now we'll begin how to get this hosting. As you see in the homepage, there is start 60 days free trial now, so just click on this option, and now you need to sign up over here. Enter your personal detail so that you can register over here. So here, as you see that hosting plan, you can select any of them, but when you select next one, your amount will be increased over here. To get this hosting for free, then you have to select only 60-day trial free. Okay, so when you select this, the amount will be $0, and in the payment option also no credit card will be required over here. Okay, so for them you have to choose your username. I'm keeping as a T-Lover. Now enter your email over here, and after your email you have to re-enter your email for verification purpose. So after that you have to create a password over here. Now your password should contain upper lowercase, lower lettercase, symbols and numbers in your password also. Now after setting your password, you have to enter a security code. This security code is already provided here over here. This is reCAPTCHA. This is like a reCAPTCHA. You have to type a security code as they are provided on the screen. So this one is optional, you can skip it. And now you have to just tick on the I have read and agree the term of condition. After you have agreed the term of condition, now you have to go for the sign up now. Here you have to verify your email. They have request of pending verification on your Gmail. They have sent a pending verification mail to your Gmail. Now you have to verify your email. For that, just go for your Gmail. You will find a mail of Sharkasp.net. So I have reloaded the page, but I can't see any mail of this. If you have the same issue, then you have to go for the spam option. When you click on the spam, you can see the ASP.net mail over here. Just click on the ASP.net, and now you have to verify this. So for verification, you have to just click on the link that they have provided. Click on the link. Now sign in with your username and password you have recently created for sign up option. Now enter your security code. Now go for the signing option. Now after sign up, you will redirect to the billing page. So in the billing page, you can see a $0 for 60-day trial free. So now you have to click on the try now for activating this hosting. So you need a username and password to log in for the cPanel of hosting. So for that you have to choose your username. So for that the username is provided by them, and now you have to use your password to log in into the cPanel of your website. So this is the first website root folder name. You can change anyone as you like. Click on the terms and policy and go for the next option. Now you have to confirm your new hosting account info. These all things are correct one, so we will go for the submit option. So when you click on the submit option, they have told that it may take 1 to 3 minutes. You do not have to close these windows. So you have to wait until process will complete on your hosting package. They will automatically redirect to the hosting account within 30 seconds, or you can just click on the click here for the redirection. Now our hosting package has been successfully activated. Now you can directly go for the control panel from here. Okay, so when you click over here, you will log into your control panel. So this is the control panel of your free hosting. So from here you can create a DNS server also. From here you can edit the DNS server. From here you can add a site over here. So in this way you can get the free hosting from this sharkasp.net. Now we will move for the Ifreehosts. In this site you can find the two free hosting, that are cloud hosting and shared hosting. So you can choose anyone. So I'll go for the cloud hosting right now. Click on the get started now. Now you have to choose your domain to start your hosting. So I want to use this domain to use my hosting. Just click on the use. Here you can see 00 USD. So just click on the continue option. Now you have to check out the item. Now you have to fill up this personal information to create an account over here. So just fill up your information. Here, after filling your personal information, when you go for the payment detail, there you can see a free credit. It means that you do not need any payment detail to enter over here. So just scroll down. Now we have to solve the reCAPTCHA. And complete the order. It may take some time, just wait for it. Now go for the client area. So here our shared and cloud hosting has been successfully activated. Now we will move for the services. In the services, you can directly get the login to the cPanel. So this is the cPanel of hosting. From where you can install the WordPress, or you can directly upload the HTML and CSS file to create your website. So in this way you can get the free hosting from these two sites, ifreehosts.com and sharkasp.net. So ifreehosts.com provide you hosting for the lifetime over here, and sharkasp only provide the hosting for 2 months only. If you like the video, then please hit on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel. Also do not forget to hit on the bell icon for the latest update. Also you can make a contact me through any medium I have kept in my website. So I'll provide this link in the description below, also the two hosting website in the description below. Thanks for watching this video.